Hey you guys, welcome to the Succulent Home with me, Melissa. I'm just coming out here. I want to just show you this little collage and what I'm working with over here in the backyard. I updated you earlier on the ocean inspired tapestry, and now I'm just going to show you how some of these pots have been doing. This is actually a potting arrangement that I did, not on camera where I recorded, but just did for myself while just needing, to get my hands dirty and enjoy some peace. Now, this particular cacti I got from Poots Cactus Nursery in Ripon. So cute. I did it in this pot, but I put it in this bigger pot. In this pot, I had the yucca tree that I took from the front yard, but it did not make it. So basically I'm gonna have to take everything out of here to take that thing out, so that way I can just it just looks ugly. Look at that. Yeah, it's just not cute. I added some fire sticks back there, some trailing aloe, and some other baby aloes that I had. It's just basically a big old pot to put some stuff that I had laying around so that they wouldn't die. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking everything out, and I'm hoping not to make too big of a mess. I haven't watered this, but I put everything in as like fresh cuttings. And you can see that like this, for instance, already started getting roots. So that's a good thing about being able to pull this out. Look at those. So that's good. Eventually I'll have to, I will have to repot these somewhere else, but for right now I thought it was okay. Okay, so like this one, nothing so much, but it does feel calloused. Oh, look at this one. This one, great. This one little root right here, so that's good. Let me see. Well, this one started rooting too. Okay, so that's good. Well, praise God for that. Okay. Comment below of what you guys have been doing. These trailing aloes I love. These aren't the medicinal aloes that you would use for any kind of like herbal remedies, but these are aloes that grow long and tall. And they propagate babies like it's no one's business. I'm telling you, they grow fast. This was a fresh cutting, and look at all of these little baby roots that have already matured since just being in here for like, I think maybe a month, not even a lot. Let's just see how these fire sticks are going. There's roots in these fire sticks, so that's good. It just needs some water. They do look dehydrated. Let me see if I could pull this out without pulling all of that out. I just wanted a place for my fire sticks, so that's why. But so I planted around the tree. My husband put potted the tree already in here. But this thing didn't have a chance. It ended up getting root rot bad. So, okay, let me get that. Okay. So that big old hole. Big old hole, big old hole, big old hole. I do have other fire sticks I can add to this. And if I do, I almost don't want to do that. I almost want to add the fire sticks in the back right here, and maybe some aeoniums in the front. Okay, let me take some of this stuff out. You guys remember the collapsible or folding bucket that I got? I use it for everything, not just water, but I love it. And it was a great addition to having stuff around my yard. Okay. I did top dress it with turfus, but as you can see, I messed it up by putting it right here. So I think maybe I should leave these here, right? Maybe I need to just leave those there, doing great, and make an arrangement in this big pot that makes it look whimsical. Let's go for it, okay? More whimsical than what it did before, but since I want to add the aeoniums, hey, let me go get a couple more fire sticks because I think it'll help make it look fuller. So I have a bucket still of fire sticks that propagated and grew big from the in-ground succulent tapestry that I had in the front yard. So actually it's a pretty big solid piece. So you know what? I think this is perfect for it. Let me dig this hole back up. You know, then I don't have to worry about anything. Look at that. Look at how perfect that was as far as like fitting. Oh yeah. Fitting, adding some height. Wish I had some gloves, but I don't. So it's all good. It's all good. Okay. Let me make sure. Let me get some soil. Poured right here in the middle, towards the back. Such a messy potter. Trying to get these roots covered in the front and the back. Okay, that'll settle in. Yep. Okay. There you go. Okay. There you go. Now, since I want to add some aeoniums, let me see if these boots would fit. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Let's just see. The one thing about making this arrangement, if this is what we're going to do to make it more whimsical, putting something up against these sticks on fire is just going to keep it from not growing this way any fast, like really fast. So, which is okay, but they will grow tall. Okay. So that's good. They do need a huge drink of water. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, what I do think I'm going to do is add some more soil right here. And add a little bit more soil. And because I added the boots on top, I know already I'm going with this whimsical look, if you will. And so I want to add some height because the soil, after I moved it around, obviously I moved it around and it sunk a little bit. And then as you water, the soil starts settling too. So that's another reason why you would want to add soil. Okay. Got this. Let's see. Okay, I'm just playing around right now, you guys, with a lot of the stuff that I have. Just wanting to see. I think I'm gonna bring over here maybe one of my little fairy garden things right here. Let me go check that out. Okay. Try to rinse this off because it was all dirty. So if I add this, that's so cute. It adds that whimsy. And I'm just going to add a little bit of like just all the leftover rocks that I do have. I don't really like using white because the soil, when you water it, you guys already know. I told you like a long time ago how I don't like it because when I water, the soil flows through. And I never liked it. I got some seashells right here, which is the leftover of some stuff. I am so low on different supplies, and my local Dollar Tree hasn't really spoke to me. So cute. I think it'll look cool because as hopefully the fire sticks in the back will start growing. These are just like little broke down shells. So I'm just gonna put some shells right here in the front, just like so. And I got some other white rocks that I'm going to add. It'll look cute to have some shells right here. Okay, maybe a couple right here. And then I'm gonna put the white rocks in the back, and then as they're big, and then put them right here. Let's see. I have this guy right here. There you go. Could put another guy right here. Just cute. That looks really cute. That looks really cute, guys. Right now, the fire sticks in the back, they do look wimpy. But as they start getting watered, which I'm gonna give them a big drink of water now, they're gonna grow taller and they'll start straightening up. If they get too massive, then I'm gonna repot it. But for right now, well, let's just leave it like that and let the aeonium shine through the boots and let it be just cute like that. Let me go get those other rocks. Okay, found the leftover. This is the last. They're big rocks. We got them from Big Lots for $7 a long time ago. But I'm just gonna do it right here just to cover the dirt, you know, in the back. When people are walking from the side, you know, it doesn't look so, you know. Laura Eubanks says to cover all the dirt. She doesn't want dirt showing. Especially when you're doing an arrangement, you know? When you know people are paying attention even more to your work. This is so much fun. It's so therapeutic. If you don't get a chance to be creative anywhere else, go in your backyard. I'm telling you, make a little potting arrangement that you think you would enjoy. And just do it. Just do it. Okay. Add a little more right there. Just underneath. Add a couple right here. Interchanging them. Just like so. Yep. And then add a couple more of these seashells just so it's cohesive. Laying them on the top of the big rocks right here. That way it's cohesive. I mean, if it's whimsical and that's what you're going for, it doesn't have to be. It could be very eclectic. But there you go. Now, your girl, Melissa, is going to run to the Dollar Tree so I can replenish my rocks. But until the next video, you guys, I hope this inspired you. God bless. Bye.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms.